So welcome guys, thanks for being here. Beautiful cell. Let me prepare the second session. Now just we need the retracement and then we will open the trade there. So we have some hours in this point. Just we need to wait the retracement and that's all. So I will prepare the session. Es hora que suba, no. Va a subir hasta que llegue a los 45:05 tal vez. AW, my friend, yes. Remember this week I will take the decision if I continue in New York or continue by Tokyo. It depends of the numbers. It depends of the people into the Tokyo for sure. Well, let's see. Lucas, no, Luis Carlos. Buenas noches. Walter, buenas noches. Pura vida. Y creo que hay más gente que habla español en las noches también. So 100 people seeing the stream, guys, and just 10 likes, 20 likes. So I appreciate it if you help me with the likes. That will be awesome. So, well, let's see. Roberto, pura vida, mi amigo. Estuvo loco el mercado hoy. La verdad es que no. Eh, Normal la caída. De ahí, si empieza con gap, estábamos en holiday, así que de ahí se quedó ahí consolidado y ya simplemente ya tenía que pasar lo que tenía que pasar, que era la caída. Y eso es todo. The reaction is done. I need more, at least minimum 45, 42 minimum. So let's see. The sale was amazing. Yes, it was beautiful. Red Ninja's here. Forty-five, 38. But it's 4 a.m. here in South Africa. Perfect, my friend. That's great. Beautiful. Waking up so early. That's good for your mind, I think. We're gonna try for this session. Yes, I expect some retracement and then open the cell. So, well, guys, for this week, I have some discounts into the Telegram because no trades today and no trades next Thursday on Friday. So less trades this week. That means I will apply some discounts if you want to be new into the Telegram or into the Discord, guys. Because of that reason, because I know the new people is more impatient than the others. So yes, some discounts. The only way to contact me is by WhatsApp. Mhm, mhm. So well, finally it's been some retraced. 45.40 could be at point. So, well, tell me your position. If you already take a position, if you're waiting, if you're taking everything or not. Position is still there. Yeah, my friend, welcome. Thanks for being here. 37. It's trying to grind up to 45.40. That would be nice. So it's close to the point. So everyone be ready if you want to open the sale. If you share my idea. Six minutes. Still waiting, guys. I'm trying to clarify the good point. Power Bucks Trading Official. Good morning, big brother. Welcome, my friend. A pleasure. Not too much people today. 145 people and just 30 likes. So I appreciate if you help me with the likes, guys. Going to wait these 3 minutes and then I will open the position. Please like and share. Thanks, my friend. I made an account that your code Salio made a 500 deposit. Very good broker. Perfect, my friend. Easy to navigate. Excellent. Eleonora, that's beautiful. That's great. Of course, if you want to be part of the community, just contact back with the link, guys. If you open an account, an agent will contact you, explain you the steps by steps, how to create an account and everything. And of course, if you receive the welcome bonus, you will be more than welcome in my community, guys. So sailing is there. The link is there um for create account with no problems. Okay. So guys, the link is into the chat and into the description. So US Store, Colombia, es un amigo, pura vida. Recuerden que igual, si quieren usar Celion dentro de Centro, bueno, dentro de América, solo los amigos de México pueden utilizar eh, las cuentas bancarias directamente para depositar o retirar el dinero que ganen con Celion. Si de México para abajo, eso significa de Guatemala, todos los demás, hacia abajo hasta Argentina, Chile, por USDT. Guys. USDT. Okay, guys. Finally, it's done. So let's try the position. try the position there. Let's see if we can touch the 45.38 at least. Going to use 0.40. Yes. It's going back. It's falling. Not in our favor because we want to use the 45.40. So waiting a little more. $45.35. So well, I took the 45.34. Okay. Mm, Save. Take profit 0.5. 0.02. Hmm? Okay, so let me share the position here. 45.34. 45.34. For that 46. Not the best point, but well, it is what it is, guys. 49. 45, 24, 52, 45, 21, 53, 45, 17, 14, 0, 46. Let me work into the TPS. bit two. And this is for 45, 17. TP3. Good. Okay, the price is going back here. We need to break the 45, 34, of course. It's the middle of that candle. Probably we'll see some reactions. If you're going to take the position, please be clear that the stop loss is 45, 45, 49. Okay, no more than that. Be clear of that. Price 45.04. We got two candles for buyers, taking the original point. $5.21. You know. So there is the position. Let's see what happened. Pure patience as usual. Some negative if you get the better point again, guys. Si toma mejor el punto de entrada, el stop loss es el mismo. Ok, 45, 49, no más de eso. Y por favor, si entran igual, usen el lotaje correcto. Guarde el tipo de su cuenta. Porfa. 1.46. 45, 49. Veremos, ok. Nuestro último punto de reacción es cerca del 45, 45. Obviamente no quiero ver esos puntos, pero bueno, estamos dentro de un rango aceptable. Así que bueno, a esperar y veremos qué nos sale directamente. 4 minutos. 4 minutes. Y esperamos. Qué madre, cuando la metí la entrada me bajó. Específicamente esa vela fue la única que hizo como un pequeño spike en 45.37. Lástima. Que al final son puntos pips que ayudan al profit. $45.38. Later reactions for the sellers. We need to continue like this. We need a good reaction for the next candles. Finally, it's going back. The last 2 minutes, it's great. I prefer this happens than the just continue like this. Good reactions for sellers. That's great. Buy, no sell. Okay, perfect. Open your long position. Master Koi Shorts, what's up, boss? Ahorita, ahora haces streams en la noche en Tokio. Sí, estoy viendo a ver si me paso. Cambio la sesión de New York a la sesión de Tokio para la gente que paga, viendo a ver cómo nos va mejor. ¿Verdad? Entonces, estamos esperando. Igual, los que quieren estar dentro de la comunidad, hoy está en descuento. Esta semana vamos a tener menos live. El miércoles sería el último. Y por eso, bueno, voy a dar ahí un descuento. Which country are you from? I'm from Costa Rica, my friend. Costa Rica. Costa Rica, my friend. Sí, perfecto. Y quiero igual ir cambiando un poco, tener un poco de público que hable español. Estoy cansado de hablar inglés y bueno, identificarme más con los que hablan español. Así que bueno, esa es la idea también. En Tokio siempre hay más gente que habla español. Entonces veremos a ver si se activan, si no se activan. Depende mucho. From Iran, perfectly. Welcome, my friend, for Iran. Uh, so the price is falling, so that's great. So the price it's falling, so that's great for our intentions, but we need more. We need more pressure. And of course we need to break the 45.30. That's important. Going back again. So let's see. Come from for I'll be back in New York. Excellent. Hola. Ya entraron, voy llegando. Sí, ya entramos. Angie García. Entramos en 45.34 y ya ahí se fue. El precio sube en 45.38 y ahí va. Salam, brother. Good to see you here. A pleasure, my friend. Mm, mm. price is falling. And I want to test this. Relax music, not like let me see if I can configure it here. Now it's there. Let me think if I can configure it here. You know, in stock is better for practice some things, you know, there's less people. Well, the price here 45.33. Trying to continue. Okay, 5 minutes. Well, almost 6 minutes, and we need to break that point. That's the thing. I think now is the point, my friend. So Richie. I think now it's sounds good for control the inches of the people. ¿Crees que bajará el 45-30? Depende de esos 5 minutos, veremos. También depende mucho del Dixie. El Dixie está cayendo otra vez, no quiere dar el brazo a torcer. Vamos que suba. Daniela Jiménez, bienvenida. Ah, no, Daniel. Bienvenido, mi amigo. Pura vida. Okay, so testing the point of entry. Unfortunately, the last um, 5 candles is not giving us the reaction what we are looking for. Hmm. Testing again the 45, 35. Last 2 minutes at least, we can stay under the point of entry. That would be great. Mhm. 20 seconds. Testing again the point of entry. Going up. That's the thing with the with Tokyo. It's full patience. Full patience, guys. If you open the trade, use the same stop loss, please. Use the same stop loss. Don't increase it, then move it. Just use the same. Si entran, usan el mismo stop loss y tomaron mejor posición, excelente, pero el stop loss es el mismo. Trying to go back to our point of entry. Back to our point of entry. Patricia Martínez, ¿cómo estás? Buenos días. Let's see if it can continue with this little pressure. Little pressure. It's not looking good because he's saying there. I'm in sales. Series in sell. Perfect. Don't sell, buy and sell for wait for BB. But it's a PV. Not sure what is the PV. Trying to stay there. But Dixie is falling. It's going up, but now it's falling. The pullback, yes, the pullback. So let's see. This is the last 5. Continue with the little pressure, 3 minutes. Going back to the 45.36. Testing the 4540. In 50 minutes looks so strong. Let's stay in there. Not too much. Respecting the 4540, that's important. Trying to stay under the 4540. That's important. Okay, staying there. Can we enter now? You can open the position there, but again, use the same stop loss, no more than 4549. Okay. Test in the highest price. It's important to continue under the 4540. Well, staying there, guys. Hi, bro. Why enter when stop loss hit? The stop loss is not hit. The stop is 45.49. Bro, my long is in profit and you're selling perfect. That's great for you. Well, guys, remember if you want to be part of the community to the propermatch.com, there you will see a really good options, a really good discounts according your necessities. What necessity is the money? Many options listed there. All the companies listed there will give you a different experience, different rules, and everything. So if you want to apply for something before apply any challenge, please read the information there. Okay, the link is into the WhatsApp and the link is into the chat and the link is into the description, guys. Okay, so be clear of that. Testing possible point of reaction 45.45. Let's see. Unfortunately, Dix is falling. Gold it's going up. Going up very hard. Two candles for different pips for around 30 pips per candle. Our last point of reaction is 45.45. But at this moment, just waiting and see what happens. Let's see if I can open another position there. 45.43. Okay, so the last re-entry. The position is there. 45 give us some reactions, but of course we need more in the next 7 minutes. Trying to stay in there. Yeah, this is Selson. Canada will be back soon. Probably yes. Let's expect something good. Let's expect the good reaction there. Pure patience. They just following gold. Continue with the uptrend. So this is the last 5 minutes. So let's expect something good in this point. If not, probably we will hit the stop, guys. Last four. Well, that's five. Last five. Still testing the point, the 45. Let's see. Very close to the stop loss. Yes, it's looking so strong. So, I'll leave the price. So you can see two candles with this full body. Trying to sellers trying to defend the 45. Not that good because the main point was the 45.40. That was the point where we need to continue near to that position. So let's see. Now it's falling, trying to continue with that position. 1 minute. Well, 2 minutes. $45, $42. Staying under 45, 45. Good, but not the best point. This is the last candle. Let's see if with the last candle we can continue with some pleasure or not. Okay, price continue under the 45. Good signal. But not the best, you know. Now we need to break the 45.40, break the point of entry, break the 45.30. Now it looks like difficult. Well, of course, it depends for these next minutes. Now the price is so quiet, so it will depends for this pressure for sellers or buyers will define the position. We're fine. Marcelio, welcome, my friend. Hello, how are you? You're in good morning from Asia. Thanks, my friend. How are you? And good morning from Asia. Welcome, my friend. Macho KK. Stay into 45, 43. Bro, market buy inside. Yes, the pressure is now, it's for the buyers. looks so quiet, like with dodges and not too much pressure. The price give us two candles with very good pressure for buyers. Now it stay there, taking advantage for that two candles. Mm-hmm. 45, 43. It's a little late by my side. Testing the highest point, what we can see. If we don't see a reaction now, the position will be loose. If the 10 minutes continue like this, just we will see the stop. Remember, the stop is there, 45, 49. We need to see something good, something at least go back to the 45, 40. If not, in some minutes we will hit the stop loss. 45, 45, trying to resist. Continue testing the 45, 45. Still testing there, very close to our stop, just 40 pips. That means two or three candles with the actual pressure. If we don't see a massive reaction for sellers right now, that's all. The position will hit the stop. Six minutes. Doji, doji, another doji, dodging green. Staying there in that point. Little reaction, trying to save the position. We need to continue like this in the next 5 minutes. Tenemos que seguir así en los siguientes 5 minutos, pero sí tenemos que volver al menos. Y está difícil volver al 45, 40. Es cuestión de esperar y ver cómo nos ayuda el precio. Four minutes. Four minutes, staying there. Do you trade here at 9:30 a.m.? My time is 10, I think. No, 9:40 p.m. is my time. Stand by or sell pressure incoming, yes. It's coming, Mitra. Hello and welcome. Africa on the group better. I don't know what is better, the African or Indian. That depends of the people choose, you know. Who likes the people from, I don't know. I never heard, you know, for someone from Africa. But for Indian, yes. Consultant work dear, yes, I'm pretty good. Thanks for asking. African curious full margin sell. I see. Today is your stop loss day. Perfect. No problem with the stop loss. Let's see. So we're trying to going back in the last five, so that's okay for our intentions. Not that bad. But now join life. Let's see how it gets. Perfect year. Are you sure it's still valid, or are you just looking for a minimal risk? It is valid by my side. It respect the 40. Is still trying to respect the 45. The song was in 45 40. Um, 45 45. Still into the sun. The thing is, my when I try to open the position instantly, the price go back 30 pips. So for the reason, my point is 45.34. I already advise if you're going to take the position, just use the same stop loss. It's pretty important to use the same stop loss. But it depends of the people, to be honest. Depends of the people. If you don't like the position, just don't take it, and that's all. Pretty simple. Mm, Hey, the alien, that was a good one. The viewers talk a lot when it's in red, but when it's in green, they are all quiet. Exactly. That happens every time, my friend. But that's okay. It's totally okay. Trying to stay in there. Staying there so quiet. Sí. Well, testing again the 45, 45. This is the last 10 minutes for this position. Well, for this candle in 1 hour. Now it's trying to continue with some pressure. What's the change of strength? There's a FEG for 45, 55, 45, 50. Yes, probably yes. We have this one, the 45, 45. Let's see if it can give us something good or not. Be ready for the stop loss because it's going to sell high. Dog CGSG. For that reason, we have an stop loss because we are ready for that position. If that position take the stop loss, that's okay. But well, I'm checking the. I don't know why this guy is always here. But well, goodbye. Uh, in left area get panic if a position get opposite, if people get angry and they to respond same, but you, my friend, is saying cool. That's great. I don't. That's a game. You know, it's just the stop loss, and that's all. Nothing will happen if the position will touch the stop loss. That's all. It's pretty simple. But people don't like the stop loss. They prefer to hold positions in negative and wash the account. Mhm. And going on sale 45, 42. Okay. That would be a good point. Better point for sure. Just be clear to use the same stop. Okay. 45, 49, 45, 50. No more than that. But well, trying to stay there. This is the last five. This is the only live channel handled by Gentleman. You know your trade. Do you know the response? Nonsense. Do you response? Do you not response? Nonsense. This is the only live channel handled by Gentleman. I think some people being crazy. If they present the bad results and everything, but well, I know depends of the bad results. I know depends for good results. I just try to show the how trading is it. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. That's great. I'm trying to end my my positions as clear as I can. Um, well, my month is ending for around in positive for around 1,410 dollars. So that's okay by my side. That's clear and safe. You know. 3 days ago, I withdrew $500. 2 weeks ago, I did a withdrawal for $910. So May is it's not that bad, like being good. 1,410. That means the around the 40% of the account. So good. That's great. 1 month. I'm watching the 1 hour time frame. It's moving the stop loss. Yes, it's trying to stay there. Not that hard. Unfortunately, the Dixie is falling, and that's something what make me worry about. Probably in the next candles. What candles in the next candles for 50 minutes? It will go up and touch. Oh, or stop there. Well, let's see. It's full patience, guys. Full patience. Let's see what happened. It's very adjust stop loss to 45, 54. No, don't change the stop loss, guys. Is there that risk is enough? No more than that, okay? No more than that. forsake your for save your psychology. I think that's the word. Safe psychology. Never extend your stop loss. That's exactly. Respect the stop loss, guys. If a lose is a lose, you see if a win is a win. That's all. The only thing what you can use is your extend is your profit, but not your negative. Brother, you have another account. I want to buy the WAM. How can I buy? My friend, if you want to buy it on a Funder account, just go into the promfermatch.com. There you will see really good options, really good discounts according what you are looking for. Many companies listed there. All of them will pay for you if you pass the challenge with no problems. Just go there, but be clear to read the the rules, the instructions, type of account, the phase one, phase two, phase three. It's pretty simple. Just you need to understand, what you are going to buy. Okay, click into the link runformatch.com. It's into the chat and it's into the description. And you will see the options. Pretty nice. Dicey, head and shoulder. Let's go and dump it. Looks like I'm not pretty sure if it looks like a head and shoulder. Let me see if I have that tool. The thing is here. Yes. Okay, this is something like this. Probably you're seeing something like this. I want to say yes, uh, but not clear. Let's see. The thing is, I don't use the head and shoulders, pattern. But let's see if you're right. So it's trying to go back. So finally, it's falling. I have a mosquito bite here. You go. It go. So well, finally, it's going up. Beautiful. We need to test, and we need to break these points. Let's see. And I think this trade is still by, so I'm waiting for a better sell. Perfect. Can we enter one more position to our original point? I already opened two positions, my friend. If you can see here, I have three position at this point. Do you prefer Tokyo or New York session to make a live stream? That's the idea, That's the idea, to see if I feel comfortable in Tokyo more than New York. Uh, it depends. It depends of this week. For the test, of course, the numbers will be very important. Because if less people saw me, because I'm not as less people is here right now. I will continue with New York. So let's see. Background music so peaceful and could make a stay chill and cool. Exactly. That's the idea. I'm not going to set you an electronic dance music or something like that. Because I can imagine I can imagine the people like being crazy. That music, at least, it will fix some mind for some people being crazy. Let's hope it closed the gap from yesterday. That's the idea. That's unexpected. We can take the position. Of course, something what I'm going to do different the next trade is um, take the regional point, because I was waiting 45.40, not 45.34. But well, it happens. Let's see if we can go up. Going up again. It's trying a little to break that point. Let's see if it can continue with the pressure. That would be awesome. We're close, but no, one break that signal is strong, go above to 45.52. Brother, is there any video you explain your volume strategy in depth? Yes, into the channel, you will find some videos. Or if you want to be into our community, into the Discord, it's not for free, but there you can um you can be there for a good price. So Discord is not for free and Telegram is not for free. It's up 45.55. 45, 60, then sell. Good. Already there, brother. I already know how to access that video. Okay, perfect. Just tag me into the Discord, my friend. Tag me into the Discord, and I will show you where. Some people just stay onto the Discord and they don't tag me, ask me by WhatsApp or something. But my answer always is the same. If you have questions, just ask me by Discord. Every day I share the point of interest, the daily analysis, and I'm staying there answering questions. But if you don't answer, I don't know. I don't know if people have doubts or something. So I just need to clarify me, the positions. This is the last 3 minutes. So well, good. The price is going up. Sorry, it's going back. Friend request sent. Don't send me a request. Tag me into the generating questions. Tag me into the learning forex. There you have general questions for ask, general questions, follow up. Well, of course, in gold, you can ask me there. You have a learning forex, pre-recorded videos. There is a pre-recorded videos, trading news. Tag me into the Discord. Tag me into the Discord. Don't send me a request like a friend, because I have to be honest, I have more than 5,500 requests. So please. So good. It's falling. A minute. We need the Dixie continue with the high pressure, Good. Okay. Actually, in India Discord we don't use it, so I'm sorry about it. Okay. Actually, I'm in India Discord we not use it, so I'm sorry about it. Don't worry, my friend. But you told me you're into the Discord, my friend. If you're into the Discord, it's pretty simple. Just tag me, and that's all. You're going to be there. So this is the last candle. Unfortunately, the last candle is losing some pressure, but at least we are recovering the point near to and breaking the point 45, 40. Now we need to break the first step done. Now we need to break the point of entry. That's pretty important. Rejection. Good music choice. It's so relax the people and keep calm. makes that effort, like control the people very anxious. So well, we got a point of reaction there. Finally, the 45 give us a good reaction. Let's see, it can continue. Now we need to break the point of entry and then the 45.30. Superhero. 'Let's see. Let's be patient. At this moment, is nothing to celebrate. It's just trying to continue with this pressure. But at least recovering some pips. That's great. DL gamers, I'm not sure we will rock. Looks difficult, but good. Good. I like your attitude, even in the bad times. 11 minutes. Little reaction for the 45.40. Staying there. Eight minutes. Staying there. Yes, the level of accuracy, it's difficult, but I respect my positions. I respect the point of entry. I just respect the strategy with full patience. I know some people don't like it. Well, they can continue with his strategies. I will continue with my strategy. Just be sure I always try to do my best. Try to clarify all my positions for my community and everything. Stop loss. The thing is, again, the stop loss is our best friend. As usual, the stop loss is our best friend, guys. Always is a must to be clear of that. The stop loss is there for one reason, and for that reason is respect it as much as you can. Never open positions, never add more pips for the stop loss and everything, because that will give us really headaches, guys, painful and everything. So be clear of that, okay? Be clear of that. So, well, this is the point again, testing the point of entry. So this is the last 4 minutes, and these 4 minutes is a must to continue like this for continue with the pressure, guys. Let's see if we get something good. Remember, guys, if you want to work with XELLION with a nice broker with a faster payout, just go into the link. You will see this beautiful platform, as you can see, supported by TradingView, so you can use it as beautiful as it looks like this. So, yes, more than welcome if you want to work with us with XELLION. The link is there into the chat, guys. Testing the point of entry. Let's see if it can break it, guys. That's the idea. And the next 3 minutes continue like this, and we can break it. We need to break the point of entry, but it depends for the next candles, guys. Mm, human. So, well, finally, green numbers, guys. It's a beautiful reaction, but yes, we need this 1 hour. Sorry, 1 minute. 1 minute, continue with the same pressure and everything. Um, let's see. Johnson, close all the cells. Okay, my friend. Again, guys, if you don't like the trade, you can close it. Pretty simple as that. So, well, finally, testing the 45.32. We broke the 45.40, we broke the 45.35, and now we need to break the 45.30. That's the important thing right now. So the price is falling, so that's great for our intentions. So well, trying to break this point, that's the important thing. Break the 45.30. If we break the 45.30, that would be pretty good. But again, we need to break it. Let's see if we can continue like this. What music do you like? I like all the type of music, less the Mexican music. I don't like the Mexican music. Sorry, I know many people here for India and everything, but the weird music for India. How much? Like something like I never. Mm, but yes, I think that's all. I like the rest. For example, my favorite band is Halloween from Germany. I like many bands for Finland, Switzerland, Spain. Um, well, I like the reggae music, dancehall, reggaeton. It depends of the. It depends of what I'm doing. If I'm in a party, I can dance. If I'm in a, for example, a festival, I like the electronic music, electronic dance music, the different type of electronic music. But yes, during I'm doing trading, I like the rock music. Yes, rock music is I think it's the best for for took positions. But at the beginning, I use relaxing music as the music of the background. Like with some tones for just clarify, your mind and stay quiet. That was my music. ¿Qué lotaje recomienda? 0.2, 0.5 por una cuenta de $760. Lucas, 0.05 va a estar bien. Depende de cuántas entradas uses. Si vas a usar solo una, 0.05. Si voy a usar 3 entradas, por ejemplo, 0.02. God bless you. A pleasure, my friend. Hopefully, many people took the positions near to 45, 45. I expect that, you know. Okay, guys, almost TP1. The wind in my hand is gathering near. Well, Khaled, thanks for your information, my friend. The other one was the Doc CSG. There you are, my friend. Well, let's expect something good and we can touch the TP1, guys. First, we need to take to TP1 if we want to celebrate. First, again, we need to take the TP1 if you want to celebrate something or say something. But I know many people was against the trend, so I don't expect we can touch at least TP1 and TP2. Thanks, sorry to see you, New York. It's past midnight for me. Well, sleep. Perfect. If you need to sleep, that was your position. Let's see if we can continue there. That was pretty nice. Reaction. Let's see, this is the last 5, and it's important to continue like this. At least in 5 minutes, we are breaking the 45.30, and in 10 minutes, 45.30, it's done. But again, the next 5, it's important in 15 minutes, break that point. Eleonora, thanks, Rita, already at 700 profit. Eleonora already closed the position, so that's great. Beautiful. Guys, again, the guys who will be against of the trade, they will be back if I lose the position. But if I win the position, they are not going to comment nothing. Remember, always be clear of that. The only one who's going to stay sitting here, it's me. Even if I lose, even if I win, I'm going to stay here, guys. So, well, trying to going back, we need to continue pushing more 3 minutes more. We need that push for 3 minutes, and we will break the 45.30. Yeah. So I can have a 100 clean point. Perfect. Here. Beautiful, guys. And remember, if you want to be part of the community, you can contact back by me by WhatsApp. Some discounts if you apply today. I will give you some discounts if you want to be part of the community for Telegram and Discord, guys. 1 minute. This is the last minute here. Okay, good. Nice point. Almost there. Just we need some pips more. Mm. coffins in that chat when we hit the TP1. Let's go. Perfect, my friend. Let's see. Just some peeps more. Just some peeps more. Let's see. We can celebrate if we touch the TP1. If not, we will stay quiet and let's see what happens. Just for 5 pips, we didn't touch the TP1. Can gold touch the 45.12? Probably yes. We already break this point, the 45.30. So 45.30 would be our point of reaction there for buyers. Staying there, guys. We hold the position in negative for many minutes. We can hold the positions in positive for more minutes. So let's try to stay there. Just some pips more. Doing some pressure. $45.12, that's the idea, you know, to touch the 45.24, 45.21, 45.17. Let's see. Well, 40 pips for touch the TP1. Going back to the 45.30. Let's see if there we can see some reaction or not. I'm tired. I will hold this position for at least 30 minutes more. Good job waiting. Thanks, my friend. It's a work team. Congratulations for the ones who wait a little more. Took a better position, for example, 45, 38, 45, 45, 45, 44, 45, 43. We in the gap from yesterday. If I continue rise goal for now, exactly. Your patient is super. Thanks, my friend. That's the patient. It's related with experience, my friend. Pure experience, pure patience. Pregúntale ahorita cuando yo respeto, ¿por qué abres tu posición más grande a la entrada con menos conveniente? Eso es porque tengo sueño ahorita. Básicamente es eso. Y por el punto de entrada también. El punto de entrada que quería tomar era el 45.37. Entonces, apenas bajó y agarró el 45.34. Si hubiera agarrado el 45.37 hubiera estado un poco más equilibrado. Bueno, prácticamente 1-1. Pero sí. Sabía que iba a subir, entonces lo dejé así. Mucha gente igual respeta el stop loss full, pero cierra el stop loss. El TP1 lo cierra full, digamos, mucha gente ya cerró full. Entonces la cantidad de veces que ellos cierran un TP1 full es más a la que nosotros tocamos un stop loss. Al final, yo no lo que hago es reducir entrada al B y esperar el TP2 para tomar el primer parcial. See, I appreciate your patience, trading with a different kind of experience. Together, whatever lose or profit, no issue. Perfect, guys. Just going to be there. Finally, I can go and sleep with a DP1, guys. DP1, guys. Voy cerrando posiciones. DP1, guys, share your profits. Share your profits at this point. Voy a agarrar un poquito aquí, 0.10. $105 pips, not that much, but well, at least something what we can hold positions there. I know many people close the positions and everything. Fuerza compradora, estaríamos hablando que sería luego del gap 45.05. But well, show your profits, guys. Share your profits. Share your profits, guys. Share your profits. And again, if you want to be part of the community, just contact back by WhatsApp, guys. It's not for free, but for today, I will give you some discounts, guys. Okay? Remember, now we are in break even, guys. We are in break even. We already take a little some partial. I take the I would say 30% of my entry, and I close the re-entries. That means I took some profits there. $668. That's great. For manage, $35. Book, close all the positions. Okay, good. DL Gamers, $135. Great. James, $35. Gold Vulture, $200. Beautiful. Walter, $60. Misatara, $467. That's beautiful. The Ali, $389. Beautiful, great. Motivate, motivate me now. $40. $180. Close our all positions for Skype off. Migalo, $80. Good. Shy Hooks, $50. For Eleonora, part of a beautiful community but with XELLION, $850 and counting. Beautiful, great. $9 with $31 capital. So that's good. Beautiful. With profit with $31. $800 for Tashana. Great. It's pretty good. That's great. Beautiful, guys. That's a beautiful position. Beautiful entry. Not a beautiful entry, but at least the idea was great. The beautiful entry would be 45.40, for example, or 45.42 as the other points. I already took $233 for this entry. Well, that's great. So good position, good entry. Um, get some profit for sure. So good, guys, good. By my side, I need to sleep. I need to sleep. It's part of the. Let me take a screenshot here. Right. Share here for this position. Telegram. Well, guys, thanks for support the people. Like we know many people against the trend, against the trade. Sorry. Um. Well, we get some pips. Many people, like 500 people, when I was in negative, was seeing the stream. So probably that people take um the highest positions, high profit for this, and that's make me happy. That's make me happy. That's great. Okay. That's made me totally happy. For many people can't continue with the entry. I already said the beep, so that's okay. I already took the 200. My deal for to be honest, my deal for example, for New York, I'm looking for um I'm looking for around 700 $800 in positive for New York. For Tokyo session, I'm looking always for around 200 or $300 per session. Because Xelium and sorry, the market in Tokyo is slow, slow, and sometimes give us that type of reaction against the main idea and everything. So, well, Laurito, last week you mentioned a book for traders. Can you give me the name again, please? The name was for. That was on nowhere library books. Mastering Trading Psychology. This one. Mastering Trading Psychology. There is the option. There is another option if you want to be part of your community into the Discord and Telegram. There is some reactions, some beautiful books, beautiful videos there too. So if you want to be part of our community, just contact back there. Okay, guys. So it's a reading it. Perfect. Lofia. That's great. If you want to be part of our community, remember for today I will give some discounts. If you want to be part of the community, guys. Why some discounts? Because last day of trading, guys. Okay, guys, the price is going up. Remember, we're in break even. We are in break even. So, for that reason, you need to clarify. If the price touch there, probably we will hit the break even, but that's all. Okay, we already took the position in TP1. Done. Okay, so by my side, guys, I'll be back in New York session. New York session tomorrow. So thanks for the people who have the patience. Thanks for the people who trust in the entry and take a better position than me. And thanks for the people who ignore their really bad vibes into the chat, guys. Remember, I'm the only one who come back every day. If I lose, I'm going to go back. If I win, I'm going to go back. So don't trust in the people who saying like they never lose. Don't trust in the people like just come here and try to disrespect my work. Okay. I appreciate your comments. Agradezco los comentarios, agradezco el tiempo, agradezco a las personas que tomaron la posición, inclusive cuando estábamos en negativo y tomaron una mejor posición, que esa es la idea, ¿verdad? Espero que aprendieran, practicaran cómo holdear emociones así, y bueno, y tomaran su respectiva ganancia, guys. So, well, by my side, guys, that's all. Thanks for everything. Thanks for the good comments. Thanks for the bad comments. And I'll be back tomorrow. in the next New York session, guys. Goodbye. Remember, for today, this is the end. This is the day, but I'm going to give some discounts, guys. Y para los que quieran entrar, hay descuento porque van a haber menos días de trading esta semana. Así que bueno, si entran nuevos, tengan un poco de paciencia. Por eso es el